Did you know there is a nuclear power plant right in the middle of a war zone? Zaporizhzhia, in southeastern Ukraine, is Europe's largest nuclear power plant and one of the 10 biggest in the world. With 6 reactors, it once powered 4 million homes, generating 5.7 gigawatts of electricity. But today this giant sits dangerously exposed, occupied by Russian forces since 2022 and under constant threat from shelling and drone strikes. In 2022, the plant was cut off from Ukraine's national power grid for the first time in nearly 40 years. The plant no longer produces electricity. While all 6 reactors are now in cold shutdown, they still require constant cooling. That cooling depends entirely on electricity, and if it fails, the nuclear fuel can overheat. Repeated shelling attacks have damaged the power lines. On October 8, 2022, the plant lost all external power, relying on diesel generators to stay safe. As per Reuters, the same happened again on July 5, 2025, when shelling knocked out every single line, a dangerous 3.5-hour blackout. UN nuclear watchdog IAEA chief Rafael Grossi warned after repeated shelling on the plant that nuclear safety remains extremely precarious in Ukraine. If diesel backups fail, cooling stops, and fuel can melt down, that could trigger a hydrogen explosion, sparking fires or explosions, and releasing radioactive materials into the air. It's a scenario hauntingly similar to Chernobyl in 1986 and Fukushima in 2011. In addition to the reactors, Zaporizhzhia houses spent fuel pools and a dry storage facility for used nuclear fuel. These pools require continuous cooling, as the fuel remains highly radioactive. If cooling fails, hydrogen buildup could occur, similar to the Fukushima disaster in 2011, where a hydrogen explosion at a spent fuel pool caused severe damage. This makes spent fuel a critical safety concern, not just the active reactors. Grossi told the United Nations, "We are getting dangerously close to a nuclear accident." He says all 7 of the IAEA safety pillars have been broken. Ukraine accuses Russia of nuclear blackmail, using the plant as a military shield. In March, US President Donald Trump suggested US oversight, but Zelensky refused, insisting Ukraine must retain full control of its nuclear site. Zaporizhzhia isn't just a power plant anymore. It's a nuclear ticking time bomb, and the world is watching.